Sharma. So friends, in my previous class I have told you about the pair of linear equation in two variables, about the intro and about the topic graphical representation of linear equation in two variables and also its properties. So today in my video I want to tell some details about its properties, that are intersecting. It means that the line that is given in our graph can be intersecting. Second one is parallel, and third one is coincident. So friends, today I want to tell you about these lines, that what is the use of these lines in equations. So as I have told you about ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. And if we are having the pair of linear equation two variables, that I am giving here 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0, and second one is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. So by these equations we can identify that what type of our line is. Either it is intersecting, parallel or coincident. So let us see. For identifying, we have our a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. If we are seeing our first equation, so we will write here a1, b1 and c1. So what is the value of a1? Here is 2. And what is the value of b1? b1 is 3. And what is the value of c1? c1 is minus 9. So now if we are seeing our second equation, then we will find the value of a2, b2 and c2. So what are the values there? a2 equals to 4, b2 equals to 6 and c2 is equals to minus 18. Now we will cut here minus sign, so both the digits will be positive here. So for identifying that what type of our line is, so we will see this, are they equal to each other? So yes, they are equal to each other. If we reduce these, then we will get 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 is also equals to 1 upon 2. It means our lines are coincident because a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is also equals to c1 upon c2. And if we find this type of condition, then always remember, then our line is coincident. So if we are having the other pair of solution, and if we are having these types of solution, so how can we find that our line is parallel? See, I am telling. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2 is the identification of that our line is parallel. And what about the intersecting line? When the line is intersecting, always remember we don't have any matter to C part, that C1 and C2. We don't have any matter to C1 and C2. We have only C, we should only see A1 and A2 and B1 and B2. So for intersecting line, always remember that A1 upon A2 should not equals to B1 upon B2. Then our line will be intersecting. Okay, if there is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2, then our line is parallel here. And this is the condition of intersecting line. So this was about the types of line. Now what about the solutions? If we are having the coincident line, see here is the line coincident and I have told you the condition of coincident line. So if we are having the coincident line, so always remember that our solution will be here infinite. Means if we are having the coincident line, then we have infinitely many solutions for this equation. And if we are having parallel line, then always remember we don't have any solution. Means for parallel line we have no any solution. And if we are having intersecting line, so always remember we have exactly one solution here, and we can also say that we are having unique solution. So this was the topic of graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. So I'm closing my topic here. If you are understanding this topic easily, so please like this video, share this video to your friends by which they can also understand this easily. And if you are having any types of doubts, please consult to me. Please comment me your doubts about my previous and this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.